Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So I'm on a little break with my partner for our anniversary. We've just checked into our hotel. Thought I'd give you a little tour of the room. We've also got a, what is it called?
Piglet's Pantry.
Piglet's Pantry. So yeah, little shout out to Piglet's Pantry Company. They do afternoon teas in a box.
Which are amazing.
And you get, so this is everything you get if you want to pause it and have a read. And look at these, you get cakes, sausage rolls, what are they? Some sunflower seeds, some tea, Scotch eggs. What's in there? Scones, some jam. Where's the clotty cream?
Clotted cream is underneath.
Underneath there. Oh, look at that, hidden under there.
Look at those cakes.
Look at these cakes. This isn't really precious metal content, is it? Look at those.
Do you say scone or scone?
Oh, yeah. Do you say scone or scone?
Scone or scone?
So yeah, there we go. That's for later. I've got it in the bathroom by the window because it's very hot in here, isn't it? So yeah, this is the room. Got some silver over here. I brought some silver with me so I could make a video at some point. What do you think about me bringing some silver away on our anniversary break?
It's like the third wheel, isn't it, really?
Yeah, that is true. The third wheel. So this is the third wheel. Some silver. Thanks again for watching. Bit of a random video. There's our view in someone's back garden. And as always, I hope you have a nice day. So we just stumbled across. What's that? Squirrel. Stumbled across a church. Look at the horse over there running around.
Yeah.
Oh, that's one of them things that exercises them.
Oh yeah, there's a couple, isn't there?
Look, you want to have a little look at it literally like they walk in circles, not very nice for them. Literally like walk in circles. I don't know if anyone's seen this before, but it's how horses are exercised sometimes. Basically like a huge hamster wheel for horses. Like a huge hamster wheel, isn't it, for horses? Not very nice, but better just running around the field, wouldn't they? Must be a reason for it. Let us know in the comments section if there's a reason for making horses walk in circles. So maybe we just turn this YouTube channel into a vlogging channel now then. Forget the precious metals, film cream teas, and that. I'm not sure if you're allowed to film in a church, but
No, how come?
no. Right. Nice whiskey. I forgot to record the mains. We've got the dessert menu here. I'm going to go for the cheese board, I think, with the 5-year cider brandy. Be rude not to. What are you going for?
The dark chocolate and Cotswolds cream.
Nice. And what have you got here?
Sweet cheeks.
Very nice, sweet cheeks. So we decided to skip dessert because we remembered we have this waiting for us in the room. What one are you going to go for? Let's have a look. Yeah, it's not a bad choice. I'm more of a savoury person, so I'm going to have a sausage roll. Got so much food. So yeah, that's the video done. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Should get a little bit of silver in just to wrap it up.